hear a lot of feedback before buying your preferred shoes. Today we're going to unbox classic shoes. Shoes is not classic, but the brand classic brand, very popular one. Those are Adidas Cloudfoam Ilation shoes, mid-white, 41.5 size, UK 7.5, US 8. It has its classic box. And let's see what is inside. Are you ready? Because those are really amazing shoes. Are you ready to see what is inside? Yeah, nice shoes. Let me take out both. But before showing you, also wanted to show you the box. It's pretty interesting. The box, it has all the measurements of the shoes, it has all the recommendations, all the signs, what each sign means, like leather, it called it leather, textile, other materials, lining and sock, upper material, and other sole. Yeah, it's all about Adidas. And now let's get back to the shoes. This is not a. This is kind of basketball shoes. What I think. It has Cloudfoam soles or footback, as it's called. This foam, Adidas shows that it's Cloudfoam. It's very soft and comfortable. You know, it really looks good. I like it. Upper part is the leader part, and those are phosphors, which is lighting. Here is textile, very soft support, and breathable upper materials. One hell of a beautiful shoes.